going on? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a sponsored video for LuvMe Hair. Thank you, LuvMe Hair, for sponsoring this video today. If you haven't already, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so that you'll always see when it is I am uploading. Also, feel free to follow me outside of YouTube. Follow me on my social media platforms so that you'll get to see a little bit more of me. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to install this headband wig. It does come with a variety of headbands and a few other things. I'm just showing you all what all comes within the box. This is the wig within itself. It is really cute, really bouncy. It's 100% human hair, so yes, you can flat iron this hair if you want to. You can make crimps with it. You can pretty much do whatever it is you want. You can curl it in a more loose curl. Yeah, it's a lot you can do with this wig, sis. So what I love about this wig is the fact that it's a toss on. You can wear this just about anywhere. If you need to make a quick run to the store, if you just wanted something cute, but you know, don't have time to go get your hair done from your stylist, this is definitely going to be the wig for you. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and finish showing you what all comes with it and how to install it. So as you can see, I already combed out the curls. It also comes with 4 combs, 1 in the front, 2 on the side, and 1 at the back for an easy install so that it doesn't have any slip to it, and you can go ahead and, you know, go about your day without worrying about it falling off your head. Okay, so that's where you're going to get most of your grip from. So this is the end of this video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching me install this hair. Please do me a favor and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so that you'll always see when it is I am uploading. Also, feel free to comment what you think about this wig, and I'll have the link down below as well, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, loves.
Fell in love with Christina. Fuck with both of those bitches, but they don't bust it like Nina. It's about to hit up.